If you are someone who's finding it difficult to put on weight and build muscle, then this 3000 calorie meal plan might just be for you. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Now, in order to gain weight and build muscle, you need to be in a calorie surplus, which means you need to be consuming more calories than you burn on a regular basis. So this video is for all my hard gainers out there who are struggling to gain weight and pack on some size. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple, easy, high protein, 3000 calorie Indian meal plan with all the recipes and the macros broken down for you. But before we move ahead, guys, a couple of disclaimers. Number one is that the amount of calories that a person needs to consume varies from person to person. It's not going to be the same for everyone. You want to make sure you are consuming about 300 to 500 calories more than your maintenance level in order to be in a surplus. Now, I have linked a video here which explains how to calculate your maintenance calories, so do check it out. But the point I'm trying to make is for some people 3000 calories will put them in that surplus range, and for some people it will not. So just keep that in mind. And number two, guys, obviously just eating 3000 calories will not help you build muscle. It may help you gain weight, but in order for you to build muscle, you need to be lifting some weights, boys and girls, in the gym at least 3 to 5 times per week. Alright, with all of that out of the way, let's now jump into this 3000 calorie diet. Meal number one, it's a super simple high calorie protein shake. In a blender, add 80 grams or 1 cup of oats, 2 large bananas, 240 ml or 1 cup of fat-free milk, 32 grams of peanut butter, 5 grams of chia seeds, and 1 scoop of whey protein, and just blend it up. Feel free to add some water to this shake if you like, guys, if you don't like it too thick, but it takes hardly 5 minutes and tastes amazing. And this entire shake is about 960 calories, of which 140 grams are carbs, 25 grams are fat, and 53 grams are protein. Moving on to meal number two, or lunch, which includes 300 grams of cooked white rice along with 1 serving of my green moong curry recipe. With this, we'll add an omelette on the side for some more protein, which includes 2 whole eggs and 3 egg whites. To make the green moong curry, pressure cook 200 grams of soaked raw green moong along with 3 to 3.5 cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and half teaspoon of salt for about 5 to 6 whistles. Once that's done, add 1 tablespoon of oil, a pinch of hing, 1 medium onion, and about 2 to 3 green chilies, and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 2 medium tomatoes, and once they become soft, add the following spices. Once all the spices are well blended in, add the boiled green moong along with its water. Finally, as it reaches your desired consistency, top it off with some coriander leaves, and your green moong curry is all set. Now, this entire recipe is to be divided into 4 servings, and 1 serving of it will go with the rice and the omelette. This entire meal is 860 calories, of which 124 grams are carbs, 16 grams are fat, and 52 grams are protein. Moving on to meal number 3, here's my go-to evening snack, which is absolutely delicious and filling at the same time. Paneer bread masala along with 28 grams of mixed nuts on the side. To make the paneer bread masala, toast 2 slices of bread and cut them into small pieces as such. In a pan, add half tablespoon of oil, half of a medium onion, and 2 to 3 green chilies, and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and continue cooking it until the onions turn golden brown. Next, add 1 tomato, and once it becomes soft, add the following things. Mix it all up and finally add the bread pieces and give it a few more stirs, and your paneer bread masala is ready to be served. Coming to the calories of this meal, which includes the paneer bread masala and the mixed nuts, it's a total of 600 calories, of which 44 grams are carbs, 40 grams are fat, and 28 grams are protein. And finally, meal number 4, which includes 3 normal-sized whole wheat rotis along with 1 serving of my PALAK chicken curry. To make the PALAK chicken, blend about 250 grams of spinach along with some water, and once done, keep that aside. Then in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil along with the following whole spices. To this, add 1 medium onion and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and continue to saute until the onions are well cooked. Next, add 1 medium tomato and some salt and cook until it becomes mushy. Up next, add the following spices. Once the spices are well put together, add 400 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. After the chicken is well cooked, pour the spinach puree. Continue cooking it for another 12 to 15 minutes until the raw smell of the spinach fades and reaches your desired consistency. And finally add about 5 ml of fresh cream or heavy cream. A few more stirs and there you go. Your PALAK chicken curry is set. This recipe is to be divided into 3 servings, and 1 serving of it will go with the 3 whole wheat rotis. And this entire meal is about 590 calories with 83 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fat and 45 grams of protein. And in total, guys, with all the meals put together, this entire diet plan is 3010 calories, of which 392 grams are carbs, 90 grams of fat and 170 grams of protein. With that, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. What makes this meal plan so much more better is that you don't have to prep each meal every day. Keep in mind, in terms of the curries, you're just having 1 serving each day. So if you just make it once, you're pretty much set for the next 3 to 4 days. And what makes it even more special is that you get to eat your basic Indian meals, so it wouldn't even feel like you're dieting, which is the cherry on the top. With that being said, I hope you found that video informative. If you did, please do give it a like, please do share with others, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want more such diet plan, meal plan kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below and I would be happy to make it. And until next time, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.